The last 10% of your credit score, the last 10% of your score is determined by new credit. The less you apply for, the less points you lose. New credit makes up 10% of a FICO score. When you apply for new credit, inquiries remain on your credit report for 2 years. FICO scores only consider inquiries for the last 12 months. People tend to have more credit today and shop for new credit more frequently than ever. FICO scores reflect this reality. However, research shows that opening several new credit accounts in a short period of time represent greater risk, especially for people who do not have a long credit history.